Hope everybody's doing well. I am back here. I have a little box opening to do. Yeah, I'm not sure. I got two packages. I'm gonna open one today. I'm not sure which one this is. I've ordered a couple diamond paintings for some events I'm taking part in, so I'll open this one up and let you know which event it is for. So anyway, Jade is here helping me. Hey baby. And I got my puppies outside. You can hear them. They're barking at people. We have an easement beside our house, so people walk up and down it at night on their way to and from the park. So yeah, they probably hear a bunch of people out there. So anyway, let's get started. So this one here is either from Home Fun or DIspaint. I'm not sure which one. I'll know which one when I open it. They both took about 17, 18 days to get here, which isn't bad. So that's good. So I've got my son downstairs. He's home. It's evening and he's playing Xbox. So he said he's going to give me a few minutes to do this without interruption. So hopefully we're good. Hey baby Daisy. I have lots of cat helpers today. Cat helpers are good. Actually, no, they're not. I find that cat helpers tend to get in the way more than they help. I have cats that like to be helpers. So anyway, here we go. Hope everybody's doing well. Been a lot more shutdowns in our city because the variants are on the rise here. So kids are going back to remote learning and a lot of businesses have shut down. Indoor dining, movie theaters have all been closed again. So kind of just trying to stay at home as much as we can and keep safe. So anyway, so this box says Home Fun on it, but that's not really saying anything because DIspaint ones come in those too. Looks like there is a little bit of damage here on the end, you guys. You can see that. Hopefully it's not too bad. We'll put it up, we'll look inside. It's got the usual. We have our diamond painting on our foam roller here. And then we have drills. I think I know which one this is. Okay. And then a typical toolkit here. So I'm going to take a look at the inventory sheet. Oh, yes. So this one is from DIspaint. I'll show you the picture here. That is it right there. It's really pretty. Kind of worried about this one. Did I order square or did I order rounds? I don't know. I'll have to look. I can't remember if I ordered squares or rounds for this one. Squares. I have found one of the issues that I'm having is the black diamonds from Home Fun and DIspaint seem to be too big lately. I haven't had this problem until recently, but I'm finding that their square diamonds are too big and I'm getting popping drills if there's too much dark, like too much black in a picture. So I think for dark pictures like this, I'm probably going to start ordering rounds because like I'm working on it right now. I'll show you guys, and I'm having a huge issue with popping drills, which I've never had before from these companies. So anyway, we'll get into it. So this one here I ordered for a event that's starting April 20th, and it's Bella Art and Nicole is celebrating her birthday and her channel with a butterfly event. So the only rule for the event is that your picture has to have a butterfly in it. It does not have to be the main feature, but it does have to have a butterfly. So I decided to do this one. I wanted to do something really unique that I hadn't done before. So this is different for me. So I'm just gonna open these up here to get our canvas to lay a little bit flatter. I have a baby kitten here who is pulling things away from me as I talk. Come on. This one's rolled. Oh, it's rolled really tight, you guys. Like super tight on here. Let's get it open if we can so we can take a peek at the canvas. I'm interested to see how much blocking in black there's going to be. I have a feeling it's going to be very, very, very heavy with the 310s. So, but if it works, it's going to be beautiful. So look at that. Wow, looks so nice. It is rolled really tight, you guys. It keeps wanting to like go back on itself here even after I've opened it. I'm going to be able to get this one here without ripping it further. Let's see. Oh, frustrates me. Yeah, it's still ripping. Yeah, I'm just ripping that as I go. I'm going to open the other side. It's like it's rolled so tight. Okay, let's go back and try this side here. My kid is playing Fortnite and he's getting a little bit excited. I can hear him. Okay, let's start from the middle here this time. They are also overlapping, which isn't helping. The sheets of adhesive are overlapping a little bit. Yeah, you can see here, like that's starting to ripple a little bit just from being rolled so tight, but I'll be able to work with it. They're not too bad. Show you this picture here. It's gonna be a lot of 310s. Holy, oh my goodness. Wow, it is pretty though, isn't it? Let's turn it this way so I get a better look at the picture. Look at that. That's gonna be beautiful. Look at that picture. Oh my goodness, that's so nice. It's gonna be beautiful. Those pinks are gonna be so vivid against the black. Take a look at the drill field here. See if I can get it in focus. Come on, I've got a cat here trying to play with me. What are the symbols for that? For black. It's the letter F. Kitty, you're gonna get stuck to it. Doesn't want to focus. There we go. So it's the letter F for the black, which is, I've never seen that before. Anyway, that's nice. I'm happy. It's just rolled really tight, but you know, it is what it is. You work with it. So this is a 40 by 40. We'll just check the size here and make sure that it's so. Yeah, 40 by 40. Yeah, right there. Right there. Yeah, that one's 40 by 40. Very nice. Typical toolkit. We got the wax and a pink pen, tweezers, the baggies, and the boat. I've seen some companies now that are giving you the option to opt out of the toolkit. Kind of like that, because I don't really use them anymore. So let's take a look at our colors here. I'm excited for this because it's this bag is really sticky. There we go. Okay. Here's our inventory sheet. Again, there's our picture. Very pretty. Look at those blues and those pinks, eh? And you know, there's still 41 colors in that. So, of course, 65 bags of 310. That's our main number, of course. 939s, there is 10 bags of that. So the rest are just 1, 2, 3, 4 bags. So lots black, but that's what I was expecting. So symbols still look really nice. That's good. So for black, looks like they've sent us a bunch of these big bags here. So we have 2. Holy, oh my God. 3. Look at all the black. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Holy, oh my gosh. And then, like, that's it. The rest are, you know, like, I would say over half of this picture is black. The 939s are the next number that we have lots of. Just looking to see if, make sure I've got those here. Don't see them. Dump those out so we can take a peek. So I've got all my 310s are there. And then the 939s, we should have 10 bags of. And you know, I don't see them. Would they have forgotten to put those in? I seriously don't see the 939s unless... Oh, they're right here. They look so close. There we go. There's our 939s. So we have 2 big bags of those and 15 bags of these 310s. So looks like all our drills are here. It is a square drill. You can see the colors are so pretty, you guys. Those are gonna just like pop. Like, you know, if you look at that pink against that black. Holy wow. Anyway, guys, there we go. So my plan is this is going to be the next one I'm going to start. I'm just finishing up my spring flings. And this one here is for the butterfly event from Bella Art to Nicole. And that one starts April 20th. So if you're interested in her event, I will link the information down below for her event if you want to sign up. There's still time. And yeah, so come join us for some of these events, you guys. And so my next video I'm going to be posting is my giveaway. So watch for that. Please like and subscribe and comment on the video that I'm posting for a chance to win for my giveaway. And yeah, I'm hoping to do a whip and chat maybe next week. We just, with things going on at home right now, it's really hard to film. So hopefully in the next week or so I can kind of give you an update and tell you a story about what's been going on in our crazy world. So anyway, but for tonight, guys, have a great night and we'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.